Today we are going to look at the range of Jesmonite ancillary products that can be used to alter viscosity, set times, and aid release from rigid molds. Everything I say has been written and reviewed by the team at Jesmonite. They have chosen to use me, an AI bot, as I can aid translation, making these videos widely available to our audiences around the world, and for ease of editing. Jesmonite's Thixotrope allows you to thicken the mix consistency of AC100 and AC300 for different styles of application. It is particularly useful when applying a thick gel coat into a higher-sided or dish-shaped mold, as the increased thickness helps to eliminate some of the slumping that the standard mix encounters. It is possible to apply a 1 mm to 3 mm layer of material without it running off the mold surface. It also provides a denser layer which helps to prevent any glass fiber reinforcements penetrating the outer finished surface. Typical inclusion rates are 2 grams to 6 grams of Thixotrope per kilogram of total mix. However, you can add drop by drop until your desired consistency is achieved. Always start with the smallest inclusion of Thixotrope and gradually increase until you are happy with your working consistency. A small quantity of Thixotrope goes a very long way. The things to remember about Jesmonite's Thixotrope are: Thixotrope increases the viscosity of AC100 and 300. It can be used as gel coat when using high-sided molds. Apply a 1 to 3 mm layer first. It helps prevent any glass fiber reinforcements penetrating the outer surface. And finally, a small quantity of Thixotrope goes a very long way. Jesmonite AC730 Gel Coat is an enhanced version of AC730, designed to improve the face coating process by having a thicker nature than standard AC730 base. This thicker mix is activated using the same AC730 liquid and at a ratio of 5:1. This thicker product helps create an even coat in your mold and can be applied using a brush, trowel, scoop or by hand. The AC730 Gel Coat methodology. Ensure you are using a clean, high-quality mold and level, even surfaces. Use standard Jesmonite mixing methodology with a ratio of 5:1. Once fully mixed and lump-free, you can apply it into your mold by way of a trowel, scoop, hand or pouring. Be aware that this product will not pour as fluidly as standard AC730, so ensure you have suitable tools to spread the product into your mold. Spread evenly across the surface, and vibrate or shake where appropriate, to increase movement whilst releasing air bubbles. Leave till light surface drying occurs, then backfill with standard AC730, an appropriate laminating technique or glass fiber reinforced mix. AC730 Gel Coat is especially useful when laminating or utilizing a glass fiber reinforced mix, as the thicker base coat will drastically reduce the potential for fibers or mesh to penetrate through the surface. The things to remember about Jesmonite's Gel Coat are: Jesmonite Gel Coat decreases the chance of glass fiber penetrating the final surface. It is suitable for a wide variety of applications. It is easily applied and is extremely user-friendly. And finally, it is available in all the Jesmonite standard AC730 colors. Jesmonite has 2 retarder products. Each is designed to work with specific types of Jesmonite. AC100 to 300 retarder is designed to work specifically with AC100 and 300, and AC730 retarder to work with AC730. It can be added to the pre-weighed liquids to extend the pot life or working time of the mixed material. Typical inclusion rates are between 2 grams to 10 grams of AC retarder per kilogram of mix. However, a small test is recommended, as the precise timing is dependent on temperature, humidity and mix size. AC retarder is very useful in increasing the working time of Jesmonite when laminating. AC retarder is water-based. Mix it very thoroughly into your wet material to avoid streaks and marks. The things to remember about AC retarder are: it is used to extend the curing times. It is particularly useful in increasing the working time of Jesmonite when laminating. Precise timings are dependent on temperature, humidity and mix size. The Jesmonite Super Plasticizer works with our cement-based materials. These include AC630, AC730, AC830 and AC930. By adding Super Plasticizer to your mix, you will effectively lower the viscosity of these thicker products, making them easier to pour and brush into molds. It is advised when working with AC730 to ensure you can adjust the product to suit your needs. This can be used to address some of the issues of the differing viscosity levels of the different AC730 recipes, and is essential when mixing AC830. The recommended addition rate is 8 grams to 12 grams per kilogram of total mix. The things to remember about Jesmonite Super Plasticizer are: it is to be used with AC630, AC730, AC830 and AC930. It lowers the viscosity, to make it easier to pour or brush into molds. It can help with the varied viscosities of the differing AC730 recipes. Jesmonite's APW Mould Release Wax is a universal release wax that is designed to offer excellent release from a wide range of rigid mold compounds, including plaster, GRP, metal, wood, and glass. It can also be used on production equipment such as scales and casting tables to assist in cleaning. Please note that some porous surfaces such as plaster and timber may need to be sealed before the release wax is applied, and trials should be carried out to ensure that the product is suitable. APW Mould Release Wax can be applied with either a cloth or brush, and any excess should be wiped off with a clean lint-free cloth, paying particular attention to the corners or deep areas of your mold to prevent greasy stains. The things to remember about Jesmonite's APW Mould Release Wax are: APW Release Wax offers excellent release from a wide range of rigid molds. It can also be used to assist in cleaning. Any porous surfaces will need to be sealed before release wax is applied. For best results, apply with either a cloth or brush.